Oh my gosh, take a look at this. 2008 Road King Classic with a factory sidecar. Probably one of your last chances to own a piece of Harley history like this. These things are extremely rare. They didn't make many of them. They stopped making them, I believe, in 2008. This one's got 10,985 on it, although it might have a few more because the kids just love this thing, and I got a bunch of grandkids. More fun than a trike. First of all, it'll hold at least 3 people. Lights up real nice in the back. At least 5 lights. It's a 96.